who rose up against the church, thinking that will go church in anymore. And he had the audacity to say, Onunaya president and Kobegu one man churches in Ghana, and not the same man, and he had the church vote.
Alright, I was your mission will be a higher Ghana and TV. You best say, we must subscribe to the channel and move from my joint cerebral comment section. I'm shrine now. I was your for say, Yebeka, some time ago, I said 2020 to the 2021 honeymoon. Now, Honorable Kennedy, a corporate pre Japan, sorry, I want a TV station or say, or best posy pastors. I was your for, sir, and then Honorable Kennedy, a corporate yeah. And no, Kraka Huna 2024 election. A Christopher Bebre, and as a pastor for pastors, and what Kurumhano Bebre, a campaigning against the NPP. And now, we want to make video be our so be so Eddie in Sambia Betuja. Or see, COVID by no Honorable Kennedy Japan, a sorry, a what Kuruma. What can't send Bebre to tarnish the image of churches? Or see, according to the pastor say, Honorable Kennedy Japan say, Anka onu no ye president that time now. Anka obego all one man churches na. Ebeka Presby, Pentecost ni Catholic pe. And a pastor say, Honorable, why is Hanyama winning now? But Usi, upe churches, and I say, I saw for votes, open Christians, and then upa ready who say, we are so for, and I say, we are Christian. I was here, and yes, I'm get to her. Now, what's up for the cassette? Sir, I did not. Honorable Kennedy Japan, yeah, and that dear, the betchen and that the betchen china. I'm see, and ya dear, the betchen and the betchen. Nah, say vote pan or pay fee, a Christopher chair, and the owner. Nah, or the warning, pastor, and the warning can see me, Edma, NPP Delegates say, ma or moo, cry and die dream say, oh, moo be sorry, sat at the first, I could so line. Say Omuko Trabama, Honorable Kennedy Japan. Now and now best sorry yes and Yamano. Say Omako Trabama Kennedy Japan. Sandana NPP pattern a big goo. Or see, Sandana NPP pattern a big goo crown. NPP party will be unattractive to Ghanaians. Now, the only hope for the NPP party, Nipa obetumia di NPP kabuma ba, Nipa obetumia leading the NPP come 2028 for the NPP possibility for NPP to win 2028, and they say, and Dr. Mahmoud Baubia. And see, a man will be sorry. See, or Kotrabama Kennedy Japan. Now Kennedy, so omu present Kennedy, say Kennedy to me 28%. And then Yami no, was no so no, only ho. Ebusia, and yasem kitwa. My uncle, Drenko Tidia, pastors, Eka, na yaba, yabetwas, yabeshragina.
Ebra cover the bayi, my men come with Namin. Cover the bar, yeah. A man that I respect so much. Me bunicheng any other honorable in Ghana. Ye castle or be an honorable. Me respecting the channel, Kennedy Japan. Me bunicheng any other man of God. But when COVID came, this same man rose up against the church, thinking that will go church in anymore. And he had the audacity to say, Onunaya president and Kobegu one man churches in Ghana, and not the same man, and he had the church vote. Oh, Kasaya, you're careful. I am telling you, the only hope, may can in there, I can be the only hope of MPP. Ayabawumia. Sanya that man now, the party will lose more than 38% and then Yamintiasi. The same man that rose up against the church. And Ghana is a Christian country. And this man rose up single-handedly against the church. To be seen, on years of Penny and Roman Methodist Pentecost Pentecost. And then the same man need the same people vote. One said in Ametia, I am not somebody that is afraid of the truth. I came with a word of caution. So be about passing so for here. Eli was a just man, a very sincere man. But ni mama ana suffer the any so you say suffer the any so you say suffer any power. Without the microphone, they are normal people. With the microphone, they are spirit. Obi oni me bia ni me say me nkura microphone I cannot even talk. Me nim say the kasa. But when I hold the microphone, anything I talk can happen. I came to tell you that you may not know what you are doing today. It will affect your future tomorrow. The same man that said you obey gun sorry no, and obey here a sorry from a vote. A two visa a sorry ni ada. Yametomane egu Ghana and sorry. In as much as there are bad people and bad pastors, there are equally good pastors. Be very careful what you say today, because it can be used against you tomorrow. Some of us, we are not politicized, but when it comes to the work of God, when you attack the church, we will attack you. I came with a word of caution. If NPP wants to retain power, they must be very careful. I am not politicized, but I'm telling you, you cannot rise up against the church of God and survive. You can't.
All right, I was here for in the same way, and I saw for Eddie Tuja. But a question in Kofubi Abisani say, is this thing a threat? And I say, Yasema. Efi papa nanga sana kumemu na oka. And would this thing now omo is it going to affect Honorable Kennedy Japan in any way? And now conversation also, a lot of people, a lot of Christians are supporting this pastor. Obviously, Honorable Kennedy Japan is not a candidate that can be trusted. And it will be an insult for any political party to present Honorable Kennedy Japan, say Ombedi party, NPP party, and I say any other political party in Ghana has say, because Niyama now, Papa we aye Kurumhano, there's no any serious political party should even allow, even there should even be any debate say Yemema sa Papa we can say or Babet standing. But just say the NPP party itself believes in democracy, and yeah, the anti obi betuma kebi na obi akebi obi kebi ma kebi ntero. And nuntina NPP party as a whole, they have allowed Honorable Kennedy Japan to contest this and just had here, they need to disqualify him long time. Babusia na Hebeka is a prophet Niger Gazing and also Babonti Ebeka the same issue. Or see, he is not going to sit down and allow Honorable Kennedy Japan to lead the NPP party until 31st of December. Or see, on 31st of December, or be really grand. Ebusia for my prophet Niger Gazing Suka Efa. Honorable Kennedy Japan,
sorry, Nanya Mia Juma Koso, no what's not TV so radio so because of whatever. No or say Nyaminju Ejuma. I'm a student of history. I did history at Legon. Obi or say Nyamia Juma, no Nyamitia ne Kasan and Injumatia. Nyamitia ne Kasan and Injumatia. Sabatoti I say, as a so big drama Nyamia Juma, as a so big drama Nyami Asafo. And I do get last I wrote something, people call me, they are assassins and they will come and kill you. Tell me, so me kind of correct. Then Yamia survive here. I thank God. I am doing the work of God genuinely. You will sit on ready, baba, you are fake, you are fake. Do you know what it takes to be fake? That you see, does he know what it takes? All the prophet are fake, some of the prophet, and you will sit down and say, oh, say, you are coming to, I saw for now, come on for now, those who are fake. That's it. What is the measure of fake? I'm a degree holder for Christ's sake. My quabrochly, my wamba, my bobra. I think at my age of 41, by 41 can only be. You just sit on TV, no microphone juma. Who put you big mommy to TV so now good anymore say? Who does that? In any serious country, that guy should have been in jail. In any serious country. And I say, I know the NPP. I know the discerning delegates of NPP. I know they will punish him. They'll punish him. Ghanaians are not stopping. Sorry to say. They say his name irritated. If he ain't cast them for four.
Aluta 92.1, the voice of the people. Debia Ghana for can we say so your prophet this out to Munjira politics.
You can't do politics.
Yeah.
You can't run a nation without prophets, without men of God. Any landed person knows, say in Israel, in the states. Let's even go to Athens, where democracy began. You can't administer the affairs of a state without the role of religion. When it comes to religion, the prophet play a major role, the apostle play a major role, the teachers, the evangelists, the pastors. So they do. So they do. Yeah.
It's about the Sunday. I was saying Ghana for Jai prophets because but you say your friends say your papa bako out of Swahili do say Reverend Osubepa.
Yeah. Let me correct this. Obi come on Facebook said me call Kennedy Pond or Panish. I never went there to beg Kennedy Pond and I'll never beg him because I've not done anything to him. What it says was that he was going to release homosexual tape about senior men of God in the country, which would have brought a disaster to the body of Christ. And senior men of God called me, say, "Young call on calming it down." And he said, sometimes when someone is a dog, you pet the person to cage the person, and at the appropriate time, you deal with the person. Somebody thought I said, I'm not one of the cowards, but he doesn't feed me, and he can feed me. I'm not one of the people he feeds. Yeah, I said, senior men of God called me.
Yeah,
said we had a tip that he was going to lie on certain senior men of God that they were homosexuals. You see, the pain in me concerning that man, a lot of people don't know. He would have crashed it. You see, the church is a spirit which no mortal man can crash it. But you see, we're good in Pakra. You know me all the way from London. Me a crashing. This man can sit on TV and say, I'm a murderer. My case are in London. You know me in London. Who name me or baby? You've not met me anywhere. Who to me could go or buy my yafi? See the make up poasie. One will be a me by soft dead and then midi meko any way kenke sa fanti kenke. One will be a cop poasie or di meko any fanti kenke that. I mean, it's ridiculous.